So today I'm heading out to Wheaton, Illinois. We're going to be touring 2 different custom homes by Keim Corp, and the community is called Amberwood Estates. Now the first home we're going to see is a modern farmhouse design. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a full unfinished basement. Beautiful detail on its exterior. Mix of stone and fiber cement siding. Barreled ceiling. You have a generous 2-story entry as you come in here. And off to my left is the dining room, and they have 6-inch custom hardwood here. It looks like an oak floor with a whitewash finish. It really looks good. This is a beautiful 2-story family room here, and they have stone to ceiling fireplace, an overlook from the 2nd floor. Now in the kitchen you have a nice oversized island. You can easily add some stools here. And the countertops they used are quartz. What really pops in this kitchen here is the ceiling detail. They have a little bump up there with a nice little wood inlay. And it's a lot of character. Nice shaker cabinets, beautiful subway tiles and a backsplash, all complete the look. And behind this sliding barn door is a separate pantry. Next to the kitchen here is the laundry room. And then you have a nice mud room with hook and bench set up. And there's a full bath on the 1st floor here. And it's right next to what would be a 5th bedroom, or you can turn it into a home office. This is a huge master suite here. You have a freestanding soaker tub, and it's surrounded by ceramic tiles. I know they look like wood, but they are ceramic tiles. Dual vanities, and a beautiful walk-in shower. Just a huge walk-in closet here. Now this bedroom shares the Jack and Jill bath with the other bedroom. Now home number 2 also has 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, plus an unfinished basement. this is a beautiful kitchen. You have a ton of cabinet space here. Oversized island, nice waterfall edge with the quartz countertops. I don't know if you noticed, but on the island here they also put a sliding barn door for some additional storage. You have a beautiful great room here with nice vaulted ceiling with the beams, and again stone to ceiling fireplace. And I just wanted to note they had 9-foot ceilings on both the first and second floor in this home. Generous mudroom, again with a hook and bench. And just over here is the laundry room. And just back here is what could either be a study or a 5th bedroom. And they have some nice shiplap detail on the wall. And then over here is a full bath on the first floor that could be used along with that possible 5th bedroom. And upstairs here are 4 bedrooms and 3 additional full baths. And bedrooms 3 and 4 are also connected by a Jack and Jill bath. Bedroom with its own ensuite bath. Now if you're interested in these homes, you can go ahead and go to keimcorp.com to learn more about them.